Okay guys, we're heading off to Marrakesh, Morocco, and it's gonna be a long journey. So right now, what time is it? About 10 o'clock?
Yep, and we're running late.
We're running late, so we're gonna head out right now. So we'll see you guys each separate way. Say bye, Keelan.
Bye, Grandma.
We're here at the Toronto airport. We just checked in. Kana got a thorough inspection. I don't know what the heck. What do you think it was, Kana? Oh, it was her knee, but you only have a brace on. It's her knee brace. Thanks to lots of years of soccer. It was going off, and so the lady was inspecting her like crazy. Anyway, we got through. So we have to go Toronto to Montreal, and then Montreal to Casablanca. Then we have to take the train from Casablanca to Marrakesh, which is a 3-hour train ride. So it's going to be a really long 2 days, actually, pretty much 2 days, a day and a half of travel. But we're excited to go to Morocco, our first time in Africa.
We're getting ready to go on the train to Marrakesh. It is a balmy, let's just say 14 degrees. We didn't expect it to be this chilly, but the rest of the week is gonna be warm. So this train ride is gonna be it for another 3 hours.
What's wrong?
I have a cold.
You have a cold.
I like my throat and my nose.
So it's actually freezing out here, but it's warmer than Canada, so I'll take it.
We just got on the train, so we'll be in Marrakesh at about 2:15. Right now it's about 9:45.
And we're on the train getting a ride to our hotel in Morocco. Isn't that great? Each ticket costs 200 dirhams, which is 28 Canadian dollars.
Good job. We're on the train to Marrakesh. Here are all the sleepiness.
We just got to Marrakesh after a long 3-hour train ride. Now we're in a restaurant and bar because our B&B apartment is not ready yet. So we're gonna stick it out here for a bit. We have probably another 2 hours. So we're kind of tired, but we're upbeat. But one thing I want to say today, it's raining and I feel like I'm freezing. It's not freezing, but it's about 10 degrees, but I am cold. So here we are. I have my cappuccino to keep warm. Bon appetit.
Good morning from Marrakesh. We are in our condo right now, and we are going to get ready to go on a hop-off tour bus. We're gonna take an Uber to the place we need to go because it's a 15-minute walk, and we don't want to get lost. We're gonna head off over there in a bit to our balcony right here. You can see right out into the city, straight from the balcony.
We just got our tickets from the hop-on, hop-off bus.
We're expecting the weather to be a lot cooler. It's warming up now. It's probably about 15 degrees. So we're just getting ready to start our first adventure.
Our first adventure, we're starting right on number 1.
The hop-on, hop-off bus, and now we're looking for Badi Palace. Crossing these streets are scary. It's crazy, eh? It is treacherous. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna try to cross the street.
lot of handmade goods are in this little part of the city.
We're now at Bahia Palace, and we just got our tickets, which were 70 dirhams each, which is about $10 Canadian.
And
We're gonna make our way inside.
And it is 350 dirhams.
For all of us, right?
Yep.
So we're here at Bahia Palace, which was built in, I believe, 1859. And it took, I think, 7 years to be built. It is beautiful. We keep walking by each room and having to stop to take pictures because all the mosaics and the marble floors are just beautiful. Bahia Palace was built by a father and son team who wanted to showcase Moroccan architectural style in this grand space. It was the home of the chief advisor to the Sultan, Si Musa, who was born a slave but gained power and wealth while moving up the ranks within the royal family. The palace was built on 2 acres and is set in the middle of the Medina or market, making it a quiet oasis in the midst of a very bustling city. After leaving the palace, we decided to look for a place to have some lunch while navigating the very busy streets of Marrakesh. Thank you. And I got some chicken skewers, and we have some olives here, all seasoned up. So good.
This right here is chicken, and then we have some mixed veggies right here. Trying to keep my keto going on. I'm already blew out of the water, but whatever.
Look at the sausage!
Okay, Keenan.
Hey,
That's
stop,
it.
stop.
I'm having a shrimp panini and fries.
How's it taste? You've already
It's good.
bitten
but it's
into it?
hot.
Keenan, what are you eating?
Shrimp panini and fries and a little bit of lettuce.
My fork.
Look at all these bees. Oh, that's not good. That's a whole lot of bees in that food. Oh. We're waiting on the hop on, hop off bus, and we actually want to go to the market. We have gone from fall to winter to summer all in one day. It's gotten so cold in the shade, and now the sun is out, and it's like about 4:30 in the afternoon, and it is like hot. We're trying to find some shade now. There is poor Malachi trying to shade poor Keenan. It all of a sudden got really hot.
You know we're not supposed to have it.
They're known for their leather here, so hopefully we can get a good deal. This guy's trying to prove that this is leather. Ah, too funny. Lovely. Oh, they're beautiful. They are beautiful. And this? Oh, I want to bring this home. So pretty. Mint?
Stop. Mix. Is this one? Mix.
Mix? Mix with what?
This one. Fermented.
I don't know if I can bring that.
It's the big.
I don't know if I can bring that home.
Oh, police glasses. Police glasses. new shoe.
Oh yes, Keenan wants to show off his new shoes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're here in Alfina Square in Morocco, and it's just a lot of chaos. I feel like it's a setup for them to take everything from us. There's snake charmers and drum. That's not funny. That's not funny. We're just waiting to go and get a taxi to get out of here. It's getting kind of cold.
By the way, I love the chaos. We're gonna get ready to take off because night is a coming.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on that like button and subscribe. Until next time, this is the Smith family wishing you happy travels.